Mortimer?
Yes?
This tinsel town is poor and wretched. We need a new idea, a new theme.
Oh, okay.
I'm thinking all of our movies are going to be underwater. Every single movie we do from now on will be underwater.
Chauncey, you have the best ideas. Okay, so wait, if we're going to be underwater, how are we going to breathe?
Well, easy. I have these scuba suits. Let me just take them out of my treasure chest.
Perhaps you notice I oiled your treasure chest.
It's a very advanced scuba suit. It tells you that it's a scuba suit. You have one and I will wear one. And let me just get our giant aquarium from here.
What? Giant aquarium?
It's a smart aquarium.
I tell you what, Hollywood has the fanciest things. All right, let me put on my suit. I'm gonna zip it up with my snake zipper.
It's a very fancy suit. I too will zip up my scuba suit.
You got a better zipper than I do.
It works like a charm. Mortimer, I hate to break it to you, but we're going to have to actually dive in this water to test that it actually would work for our actors.
Wait, hold on. This water? Because this water has sharks in it. You can hear them swimming around.
Sharks?
The sharks are also very smart.
They're shark presenting, you
They
see.
let you know that they're sharks.
Well, here. Yes, shark?
What are you doing for today?
What are we doing for today? Of course, we're just, if it's okay, we just like to dive in the aquarium.
We're making a movie.
Come on, the pictures.
No.
Oh, God.
You didn't need your permit.
I
Chauncey.
Yeah, because you don't even have your ID.
We need ID.
I got ID in my backpack.
Yeah,
Let me open up my backpack.
Yeah.
Zipper.
Is that snake skin as well? That sounds
That
very
is a
similar.
snake skin. Don't worry, I will kill it.
Wow. Shark is a very chivalrous species.
So Shark, if I...
Oh my god. But I'm scared. Oh my god.
So Shark, if I throw my backpack in the water, will you eat it?
Yes.
Okay.
Okay.
Here.
Eat the little kid. Eat the little kid. Eat it. Eat it now. Eat it. Eat it.
Well, it's like he's egging us on to eat this.
Maybe he wants me to eat my little
Before
stick.
the cat comes.
I'm sorry, what comes?
The cat comes.
Does he say .coms?
Death. Mortimer, I have to say, I'm reevaluating this whole underwater idea. This is far more dangerous than I had anticipated.
Maybe we could do everything on the desert where it's dry.
No, you can't do that because you will get to jail and the pyramid will turn into your life and you will be trapped forever and ever. Don't go!
Shark, how did you learn about our penal system?